The transition to electric vehicles drives demand for lithium and other high-value metals. These are 95% recoverable from end-of-life batteries, fueling a $50 billion black mass market by 2032. Recycling costs split evenly across transportation, dismantling, and extraction, but dismantling is really the choke point. 800-volt batteries pose electrical hazard, combustion risks, heavy lifting, and scarce labor struggles with discharging and disassembly. Large black mass recyclers like Redwood Materials and Li-Cycle haven't solved this problem, with thousands of batteries backlogged in their facilities. We cracked this problem using humanoid robots that can disassemble a large variety of batteries, can easily learn about new ones, and integrate into existing human workflows. Fueled by rapidly improving large language models such as for embodied AI such as ChatGPT 4.0 and most recently Gemini Robotics, humanoids will drastically simplify automation compared with bespoke automation solutions, as they will be able to use the same tools as humans do, including pushcarts and hoists, enabling a seamless transition to scalable, autonomous assembly of changing battery types. Backed by a $1.8 million ARPA-E contract with CEO Boulder that started in January 2025, we are developing force and torque-based motion primitives to perform 24/7 dismantling and discharging operations for large EV batteries, such as you see in my back. In addition to financial support, ARPA-E funding provides access to customers, investors, and follow-up commercialization funding. The NVC prize will deploy a second humanoid for customer trials, helping us to accelerate our timeline and putting our robot into customers' hands early. By 2035, with 70 million EVs and a 10-year battery lifespan, 7 million batteries will need recycling yearly. Focusing on B2B sales in the black mass industry, which is dominated by less than a handful of key players, Circular aims to afford 2.5 million batteries a year, targeting a $450 million dismantling foothold. We are not just solving a problem, we are revolutionizing a market and position real-time manufacturing at the forefront of an emerging humanoid industry.